All right, people. Hello. I'm on my own today. The boys have left me. I'm on my own. So you're going to have to put up with me. Whoever's in the chat, say hello. We're going to be chilling. We're long UK equities because we had the budget finally, and we'll go through a couple of different things. So whoever's in the chat, say hello, and we'll go through. So we'll go through a couple of what we're looking at the moment, and we will check up on this trade. I got a little bit late into this trade. I'm also in this trade on a different account. No. Is this who I think it is coming to chill with me? This is great. What would I do without this man? Here we go. The gold trader, the one and only. How you doing, boss man?
I'm doing great. How are you? I thought maybe you are not going to live today.
I know I was a little bit late. Let me turn the music down. That gold trader, I lost quite a little bit of money on that gold trade. I didn't think it was going to come down.
3 trades to you live, and all three are wins.
That's why you got to come on live more often. That's it. So we'll go through the markets. I'll go through what I'm looking at, and then Sakit will go through what he's looking at. And maybe he's in a couple of gold trades. I don't know, but we'll see. So FTSE, we'll talk a little bit about the FTSE, what's currently gone on. So we've had around here was just before we had the opening of the budget from the UK. That was a really, really nice trade for me. That's nearly hit take profit. So if I just show you where the entry was on this. I didn't take it on FundingRock, unfortunately, but we're getting in a little bit late. So right on that touch of that EMA is where we got in, and it is getting close to take me out. But really, I do think the FTSE is going higher. So we've got this bullish market structure. As you can see, we've taken the pivot high to the pivot low. All of this is, of course, the next range. We've broken down, come back into an area of demand, and on the 4 hour, we had a little bit of a kind of head and shoulders-esque type pattern. So you can see right here, you've got the shoulder, the head, break of structure, retest on the level, and then a push off. And so far, so good. I'm going to get rid of all of these session breaks because it makes it look really messy. But that's the current trade that we're on in here. Now, gold, we're in a little bit of an interesting place because I think we're in this consolidation area, and we're just going to be consolidating within this until maybe the end of the year. I did long up into this area. It pushed up. I thought it was going to continue, and then it came back and took me out. If we break underneath this level, so right under where is my drawing tool? If we end up breaking underneath here, then I would be looking to take out some of these areas right here back into this area of prior demand, and then we'll see about trying to long it outside of this area. So at the moment, I'm not doing anything on gold. I've already licked quite a nice loss today, so I'm not planning on to take another trade from there. Let's have a look at euro. Really nice trades as well. I haven't taken anything on there. But if we go onto a higher time frame, we're just really stuck in this overall range. At the moment, we're at a weekly level. So you've got this weekly level down there and this weekly level there. At the moment, for me, I don't see much to do in the euro, to be honest. Pound, we're approaching quite an interesting area. You've got one of these fair value gaps that people like playing off. You've also got a 50 fib. So if I'm honest, I'd be actually looking for a little bit of a short once we come up to here. That being said, in the intraday time frame, it does look like we are long. So maybe a nice little long up into this fair value gap, which is around about 28 pips from the price that we're at now. It could be a really nice trade. So we can keep an eye on that. USD Swiss, we're still at the top of this range. We've had a little bit of a break of this structure right now. I do think this is going short, and I do think the next level that it's going to hit is 80.36. Because at the end of the day, we are still in this macro area, this macro range that we've been in for a couple of months, for more than a couple of months. Okay, we've been in here for 156 days. So I don't think this is at the moment the place that it's going to break. I do think we're going to go lower. So I'm going to keep watching that. If we do break structure break this level of right here. So let's say this level of 80.60. If we break underneath this level, then I will be taking it short to 80.36. And that is it for USD Swiss. So I'm going to mark this short. I'm going to mark this long for now. Euro pound, not interested. And New Zealand, also not too interested at the moment. So that is it. Sakit.
Yes.
Past the phase 2 of a 25k account in one day. Phase one. Phase one.
Yeah.
Nice. Let me just pop on your screen and I'll let you talk about that trade, because yesterday I did try and short while you went long. And I got to say, the better man won this time. It was a very nice trade, mate. It was actually a stunning trade, and we'll go through it right now.
So as you can see from the morning in India, we can see four bullish candle, and I was expecting a retracement downside because gold is in buy trend from past 3 days. So if we mark the session to pre-London, there is a fib, right? So we have two levels, 50 and 61%. So my plan was to enter from 50% level, because as you can see, I always say whenever I plan a fib, I always look left hand side resistance or support. You can see that here we can see a resistance which was acted strongly in the past. So I was sure that whenever market will come at this level and it will bounce upside, and it same happened here. So when it came this area, I shifted to 5 minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, and we can see that same thing happened. I always say that I look for doji candle or liquidity sweep. So as you can see here, it closed like a bearish candle, but just after that, we can see we have a momentum of bear, but still a bullish candle closed in just at right zone where I am planning to enter. So when this candle closed, I enter at 4150, which is also a psychological zone. My stop loss was big, but I was about to close all my position at this level, which is 61%. And my target was first 2.5 risk to reward, but then I knew that it will at least come to this zone, which is a resistance. So I hold my trade till 1 to 5, and with that I passed my phase 1. And after that, you can see that market is continuously going down after just I exited. And if you want to see the same example in euro USD trade, which I didn't took, but we can see something like that right here as well. So if you will go to 4 hour time frame of euro USD, if you will mark the fib zone, right? If you will mark the fib zone on 4 hour time frame in euro USD, you can see that we have a level right here, which you can see clearly that if you will come to 1 hour time frame, we have a level at 61%. And if you mark the fib wicks as well, we have something at 50% as well. So when market came at this level, I shifted to 15-minute time frame, and you can see that there is something called hammer candle. When this candle closed at right my zone, I entered at right here, and you can see that market is already given like 2.5 risk reward. So here are the two trade idea currently I am trading or already took.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
We've got a good little group, and everybody's trading gold at the moment. Because I'll tell you what, I'm funding Rock, and I put the spreads onto Twitter. The spreads
Mm,
are just insane. Like the spreads and the execution are just really, really, really on point.
yeah.
We can even test it out a little bit. At the moment, the UK 100 is running really nicely, but we can go on to gold and where is gold? And for instance, we can just put I won't go 3-lot trade, put 0.1 into a sell position straight away. You're pretty much in profit straight away. Well, you were if it wouldn't go back up, but execution is just so. If you're a gold trader and you're bored of trading 1 to 2 leverage, how much? Sakit, on your other prop firm accounts, what's the leverage on gold at the moment?
It's really, really less. It's not that high.
It's not high
It's
at all,
like
huh?
like 1 into, I will say, 20 or maximum 30.
There you go. Look at that. Look at that, boys. Leverage 1 to 50. We've even got that. The only thing of in crypto's 1 to 4, but everything out, indices, you've also got, 1 to 50 as well. So you've got enough there to really play with. And that is it. You just need to sort MT5 and you're golden. Who needs MT5? Mr. the Mental Wealth Trader. We can have a look at the equity markets. If anybody's looking at something, tell us so we can have a look. I'll have a look at a bit of crypto as well. I think Solana's going to come up and take out this this neat little level right here at 145. Sakit, you don't trade crypto, do you?
No, no, no. I only invest for long term.
Only invest. Okay. So crypto's in a bit of a bad state, if I'm honest. It doesn't look too good. You've got some of these levels that would be quite nice to short. So you've got the 145 level, 149. This is the level where I do think in the interim we're going to have a little bit of a push up on Solana. That will take out all of these highs. Then it will facilitate maybe another leg down to the bottom of the range, which is about 109. At the moment, that's, we got nothing really to say on crypto. It is just getting smashed. So Bitcoin, we can have a look at Bitcoin come into an area of demand, not looking to trade it. But it is quite interesting to see what happens. I would like maybe to buy some of the ETFs if we get into these kind of areas and then we just start consolidating. Once we start consolidating and we're seeing the volumes getting really, really, really tight, then I'll look to be starting to buy some of the ETFs. It's pipped me off that you've not got it. See what you've done there, man. Stick a link of pipped off in the chat. So Pipped Off, guys, is a podcast for really pissed off traders, okay? So go in.
I saw that. I saw your part in that Instagram channel.
Yeah. So maybe one day we'll have you on there as a guest, Sakit. You can talk about some of your pipped off moments in trading, because you've got quite a few pipped off moments.
Why not? It's a lot of moments.
Yeah. We all, as traders, you're always going to have these moments in your trading where no matter what you do, it's tough. You're just having a tough time. You sometimes feel like you're not getting anywhere. Sometimes you feel like no matter what you do, you shouldn't be trading. Maybe you've lost it. All of these different feelings. Pipped Off podcast is for you. And if you go on to pippedoff.com, you'll be able to put in some of your trader stories and things like that, and share them with us, and we can read them out on the podcast as well. What else are we looking at? Equity markets are just going crazy. AMD coming to close this gap as well. I don't trade many stocks, but still looks like a really good trade. Maybe you want to be shorting it into that gap, maybe coming back into a 50. I don't know how the 50 actually works in the equity market. I don't know if it's a good way of trading into the 50. It works on everything else, so why not? Google is going absolutely crazy, and that's probably because of some of the partnerships with the guys for their AI chips. Good evening, my friend. Good evening. So we're coming down for a little bit of a retracement on the UK 100. Ideally, we find support in this prior area of demand. We have gone out quite a bit. If we have a look on the 4 hour, we're in a bit of an area of supply, and it's the first time it's up there. So maybe we can cut it. We'll see what happens. Might not be the best trade, just trying to push up above it, but we'll see what happens on the 5 minute. Are you looking at anything to trade, Sakit, or are you chilling now? Because you've had already quite a good day.
I'm not trading now, but I am looking for gold buys with like minimum quantity of like 1% risk.
To be fair, it actually looks possible. Alex, did you notice the FundingRock leaderboard? Shall I have a look? Shall I have a look at the FundingRock leaderboard? Why, you on it, mate? Let's have a look at the FundingRock leaderboard. In the meantime, let me put that on.
It's only for those who are, funded or like what?
Yeah, it's only funded traders.
Oh God, who is making $1,000, man? Who is making like $1,200?
Let's have a look.
Don't worry, your boy will be here.
Let's have a look. Let's put this on. Let's put this on. Where am I going to put this? Oh! Okay, Vinya, you better not be copy trading. You better not be copy trading. I know what you're like, my friend. No, that's really nice. Fair play, mate. Nice 10%. Should you have a look at what trades? Gold, obviously. Nice. Really nice trades. Buy. This was the big one. Wait, what account is this? Oh, this is a 10%. Yeah, $10,000. Okay, so you got in open price 4091 and you got out 110. Oh wow. Oh, so you got it yesterday. Oh, that's the same kind of trade that you're looking at, Sakit. Nice. Got probably around about this impulse. You look like you got out. Asian session for gold has been going absolutely nuts, to be fair.
Yeah.
I actually was thinking about just staying up all night and trading gold, and I was like, no, I was like, no, this is just gotta chill out, boy. Gotta chill out. Can't be trading all night as well. It's a bit of an exaggeration. On the 1 hour, at the moment, it looks good for a long. What are we thinking, Sakit? Should we have a punt? With gold?
I'm not sure that's the reason I'm not entering. And in my mind, I know that I already won 2 trades for the day.
That's good. Yeah. That's good. Maybe if we get above those highs, the 152, then maybe.
When I fail,
Oh, we lost Saket. What did you say, bro?
blow or fail at least 10 accounts of any prop firm, that's the moment I feel upset. Otherwise, 2 3 challenge is nothing for me, to be very honest.
Man, it's part of the game. Part of the game is blowing. Look, it's like when you've got trades as well. If you've got a win rate on prop of 40%, like out
Mm.
of 10 accounts that you've done, you've passed 4. Those 4 accounts can make you all of the money and way more than what you've spent on the account. So when people get upset about losing an account, look, literally is not the end of the world. You're saying, okay, so Akesh, you're looking at 4131. 4131. Yeah, okay. Okay, maybe. Maybe. Look, we've got the Asian lows right here. Maybe a scalp trade. Lower down. Could be a nice one. A scalp trade. We'll see. We'll see what happens with the UK 100 because that's what we're in at the moment. We're not too far from the take profit. No, we are pretty far. Pretty far from the take profit. Gold headed to 127. 127. So Vinay, are you shorting it? Tell me. Is this you saying that you're short? Let's put on some of the EMAs. What are the EMAs saying? I say this is short. Oh, should we short it? Should we short
Okay.
it? Let's short it. Let's short it. Let's short it.
Are you shorting?
Yeah, we can short it. Why not?
This is not the same Alex I was talking before, 3 months ago.
Really? That's bad because I was winning a lot 3 months ago.
That's what I'm saying. I think you are, these days you are stuck in a lot of work. This is the reason, according to me. That's the reason you are a bit, off with trading. But I think that's fine because a consistent income is also important.
Yeah, FundingRock. There's a lot of work here.
Yeah, I know. Even I have so much of work with FundingRock.
I am literally non-stop texting Saket. Non-stop.
You know what happened last 3 days ago? One of your, ad you were running for me. There was a follower of mine who commented on that reel that Funding Rock is this and that. So he was following me. That's the reason I sent a direct DM to him and I said that, what happened to you? Do you have any kind of issue? Tell me, I'll solve you. Right? When I DM,
Any
he
type of issue.
said, I'm not having any issue. My friend is having issue. I said, okay, tell him to DM me or tell him to, send me all the proofs. It's
Yeah.
been 4 days. Like, do you think if someone is having any kind of payout issue and someone is coming and saying that I'll sort your payout issue and he will not DM? It's been 4 days. He is not sending me any kind of proofs for like whatever he is commenting. Yesterday, Gaurav, Gaurav, he is also a trader on our
Go ahead.
platform. He is doing live stream and one person just commented that Funding Rock is this and that. They rejected my payout. And I thought, how is that?
Rejected payout.
Yeah, just listen.
Okay.
How is that possible? Then Gaurav told him to DM him or me. I was in live. I sent him a direct message in live that please DM me. I'll sort your issue. After I sent him, message,
Yeah.
he's replying. Please suggest me good prop firms.
Sounds very fishy.
It's fishy, bro. It's like funny for me now. Like few weeks ago, I was irritating with all these stuffs like the mindset of people. But
Mm.
nowadays, I laugh at looking at all these things.
Mm. It's quite interesting. I don't know why they say it. Do they work with other firms? Is that the reason why they're saying that?
They just hate us, bro.
They
Me
hate
or
us. They
moderators.
hate us because they ain't us. Well, I'll tell you what, that
Yeah.
gold. What's going on with this gold one? This is what the fuck is this? What the fuck, boys? What the fuck? Mm. All right, there you go. I'm cutting that on 1,000. I can't afford any more than that. Can't afford any more than that on 1,000. To be fair, straight in to support. I do think it's going to come down, but we can't afford too many losses today. We can afford a little bit more, but that's it. We'll see if this holds up. Some of the we've got some like awesome Indian traders though. Indian traders are really good, and it's probably
Yeah,
because gold just keeps going.
they are pretty talented.
They are pretty good. They are good.
Yeah.
Let's see if this holds. Let's have a look at some of the other trades on the leaderboard. Goav. Okay, he's up 4%.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay, buy from gold. 41.24, 41.50. Nice little bit of profit. One trade. Let's have a look. What else is going on? USD CHF pushing down quite nicely. If we get to a 1k in drawdown, I'm gonna have to close it because we've already taken a couple of losses on this today, especially off that gold. Alex, greetings from India. Such a nice funding company. Also, trade Locket is also the best platform to trade with. Do you know what? I was saying so many different things about Trade Locker, but once you start getting used to it, it actually is a pretty good platform.
It's good plan.
Trade Locker is actually a pretty good platform.
Yeah, I agree with that.
It's not like obviously the UMT5 what we're all used to, but it's up there, and all the tools and stuff they're much better than the stuff that we have on MT5 and stuff like that. Definitely. Let's see what if this gold goes down now. I'm gonna be pissed.
I'm interested in gold buys, but only thing if we will see 5 minute time frame, you can see the lower low, lower high structure. That's the only reason I am a bit afraid to enter right now. Otherwise, this is a good level to buy.
Yeah, it's still pushing down.
If this 15 minute candle is closing bullish, like a strong bullish or doji candle, then I'll be entering in this trade.
So you're gonna wait just to see if this closes bullish. If this closes like back up here, then you're looking to buy.
15 minute time frame candle.
Yeah.
Yeah, 15 minute I'm interested in
15.
it's closing bullish.
Patience.
How many people are watching us right now?
I have not got a clue. I've got this on full screen.
60.
Only
60.
6 and 3 on Twitter. I haven't put this out to any place though, so it's not on social. Also, I'm inspiring from Sackett, bro. Funded account started to see his reels. Greetings to Sackett. Also, he is such a great personality. I must agree. Sackett is a great trader, and I've seen Sackett come from literally nothing. You know, when I first met Saki, he just passed his first prop firm challenge with the fivers, and now look at him. And you got quite a good strategy. Your strategy is simple, really easy to understand. No fluff, no BS. It's a good strategy. You're very patient as well.
You know that same strategy, I uploaded video explaining all the trades about FundingRock,
Yeah.
and I received more than 3 to 400 DMs after posting that video. 3 to 400 DMs every morning since last 3 days. I am waking up and opening my DM. There are like 50 to 60 messages. People are saying that I backtested like 5 years. I was looking at fibs, but I didn't have that kind of confirmation for trade. And it's really big thing for me, because you can't buy all these things. It's only gonna come in your life if you are really actually adding value in people's life.
Mm, to be honest, there's something about when you show somebody how to trade and you see them actually, they start getting it, they start understanding it. There's something really nice about that, because trading's difficult, man, especially if you're doing the wrong type of things. Let's see if we can get a couple of impulses up. This move though was crazy. This move was absolutely crazy, man.
Where is our other gang today?
The other gang is not here. Wilski.
Big click C.
Wilski's not here at the moment. Somebody got $2.05 commissions. Oh, what is this? You now have 6 that will be paid out. Let's have a look and see what that 40% discount is really tempting me. It's just in my head around trade locker. Stop being. You know what? If I wasn't live on a corporate professional stream right now, I would be saying a lot of things to you, Michael. But I am. So I'm just gonna stay. Do what you want. LJ bought a 200k account. AJ, oh, look at that. Okay, sack it. We're getting
But I am
ready.
waiting to enter if candle is closing.
This is a
like
sack it signal, guys. If Sackett gets in, I'm getting in.
No.
Sackett gets in, I'm getting in.
No, we are violating the copy trading rule.
That is true. That is also true. Can't be violating the copy trading rule. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait for that. Yeah, fine. Sackett can get in. I won't get in as well. I'm already, to be fair, I'm still long this, so I can't get in. And I can't copy trade as well, because I told Vinya that we're not allowed to copy trade. So whatever.
Stop loss is
Michael McSpurin. Michael. Get MT. So he's telling me get MT5 and C Trader, and then he's using some explicit language. Let's see what we're getting. Okay, so Sackett, what would be your
stop loss.
Your entry for this? Let's say we're looking at it right now.
The
You're
stop
saying
entry, the stop loss is not making sense. The 1 to 2 risk to reward is too less for me. That's the reason I'm not entering. If you will see this candle, it's like 130 pips of candle in 15 minutes. the stop loss is not making sense according to the risk to reward.
So you'd have it under here.
If next candle is breaking current 15-minute candle high and coming little bit down, then I will enter. Otherwise, if it's going up, I will be not interested.
Okay. So you'd wait for it to break up here, bounce, retest on the range highs, and then you would get in. That's nice. Okay.
Because stop loss is not making sense and risk to reward is just 1 into 1.5 risk to reward. I at least take 2.5 risk to reward.
Michael. Should see some of the stuff that I am getting sent on WhatsApp, guys. Naughty. I'm glad I got out of that trade. I would have been smashed. Okay, UK 100 still holding. Let's have a look at the S&P. S&P up. Dollar is probably down. Wow. Okay, dollar is really getting smashed right now. USD CHF coming down as well. So we look like we're breaking under that level. If we're breaking under that level, then maybe we can actually see about getting into that trade. But you're not going to see that because we're going to be off stream by then. But that does look like a really nice trade to get in still. Let's see the UK 100. Yeah, we're still looking good on this. Right on that level. What a trade, man. It's probably the best trade I've done in months. So wait, have you done the 4 minimum days yet, Sackett? Or have you got to
Yeah,
wait? Okay.
I received the credentials of phase 2 as well, just after 5 minutes.
Oh, wow, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. Aye. Michael. You're too expensive, buddy. You're too expensive. Michael would love to join us on the live stream. But
so today we are joined by a special.
what was I hear myself double.
That I just opened an interview of yours on FundingRock channel. That's the reason you were hearing.
Nice. Oh, this guy. Okay. Done. This is going to be funny, man. This is going to be funny. So Michael's coming on, guys.
Man, gold is really going up.
Is it? Is it actually? Oh gosh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, it is. Lucky I close it. Lucky I closed that, man. Where's Vinya? I thought you said it was going down to 120. On the trade, I took your signal. And this is what happens. Yeah, it looks like it's really pushing up. Very engulfing candle and everything. Oh, the mental wealth trader. Guys, you're in for something truly, truly special right now. The man. Hold on. Before I do this, got to sort out Yeah, I'm going to sort out the production. Nobody can hear him yet. And then I'll do the introduction. And then I'm going to post this everywhere. The man, the myth, the legend.
All right.
Hey, look at this. Oh, mate. How are you?
I'm good, mate. How are you? It's been a while.
Oh, mate, I haven't seen or spoke to you in ages.
Well, apart from pipped off, but you know, doing a live stream. When was the last time we did a live stream? Like,
how
April?
exciting, bro.
April was the last time we did a live stream together.
I know.
It's been a minute.
Wow, I have truly missed this. I have truly missed this. I do have Sackett here to hold the fort. This guy.
Good to see you, Sackett. Good to meet you, mate. How you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you? It's nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. I am very good, very good.
So Sackett is part of the dream team.
The dream team, indeed.
Dream team, and Michael is my my psychology coach, my therapy.
And judging by the quality of your trading over the last few months, I'm doing a really good job of it.
Hold on. Did you okay, after the couple of minutes, did you see the trade today?
I did see the trade today. What, the footsie one?
The foot, not the one I've got right on now, the one that I've got on the other account. Did you see that?
That was tasty. That was tasty. I'm not gonna lie.
That was beautiful.
I'm impressed.
I was also impressed with myself. I was like, bloody hell.
What was your risk level on that?
This was
what was it?
Is it?
Was it
3%?
Was it single figures or double figures?
Oh no, it's double figures. It was like $4,000.
Okay. As a percentage, was it single figures or double figures?
No, it's single figures, bro.
All right. Okay. Well, you know, sometimes you go full tilt. You know, I know what you're like.
Full tilt. You're not putting me in good light.
Anyone who watches Pipped Off will know.
Yeah, fair enough. I put 3% on it because it needed 3% on it. The stuff that they were talking about in that budget.
Yeah.
I was like, why wouldn't I put 3% on it?
The underlying narrative, though, wasn't particularly wonderful. I don't know if you saw the commentary afterwards. The underlying narrative for the pound is actually pretty well. It's not wonderful. There doesn't seem to be anything. You know, the political message was done in a very, very clever way. I've got to say, you know, the way it was delivered was very good, but actually the underlying message was actually pretty poor. Got to say.
In what sense?
Well, growth is slowing down. I can't remember the other statistics, but a bunch of statistics basically all coming down. So, you know, what's her name? Kemi, whatever her surname is, the leader of the Tories.
Yeah.
Basically just went all in on Rachel Reeves as a follow-up.
That's her job, though.
She done it, yeah, but she really went for it.
Did she? Really, yeah. Was that was on Bloomberg?
No, I watched that on Sky. So the underlining headlines aren't particularly wonderful. You know, I think the way it was delivered, basically for anyone that was watching it, the average Joe on the street, they thought, oh, this doesn't seem too bad. Anyone then, you know, listened to the analysis afterwards, then goes, actually, yeah, things aren't great. And she still got slated for not actually going harder and going actually for like a big tax hike of some kind, like breaking, you know, one of the major taxes. So
deflationary or inflationary, some of the decisions that she was making.
I don't think they're going to do anything, if I'm honest. I don't think they're going to be significantly one way or the other. There was lots of investment, everything else, but if you listen to the numbers, they weren't massive. You know, they're all local investment. They're all local capital investments. Nothing, you know, like 10 million here, 50 million there. They're actually, you know, not big figures. So I don't think it's going to be necessarily deflationary, but I also don't think it's going to be inflationary. I think the UK is just going to continue to sit stagnant. Unfortunately,
that's not good.
No. I mean, even she herself was saying, you know, improvement on debt deficit and things like that was going to be 1%, but it was going to take 3 or 4 years to get there. So it's not looking good for the pound, unfortunately. So
For the pound though, so not looking good for the pound, better the UK 100. The one thing that she did say about, forcing people to use their ISA money to go into UK equities. As soon as I heard that, I was just like, yeah.
That is going to be a big one for the FTSE for sure. But I mean, even the gilts were like, but because it was all because of that OBR release earlier on, wasn't it? The OBR release came out early, and that created the volatility earlier. So then for her speech,
but that's also caused this.
Yeah.
So that caused that to happen, and then suddenly it was like a little bit of manipulation.
Do you know what? Right there, I saw there was a press conference with the guy from the OBR where he basically took the hit for it and said it was our fault. I wouldn't be surprised if that was all planned.
Yeah.
So that her speech doesn't rattle the markets, that the markets get rattled beforehand, and then her speech doesn't actually make such a big deal of things.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
Well,
nothing would surprise me. Nothing would surprise me with the UK.
We'll see what happens. I don't know if I don't know what's going to happen with the UK, to be honest. But the way the pound is at the moment, if we have a look at what the pound's looking like. Wait, hold on, Sackett, did you get in or not?
No.
Oh.
The stop was too big.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Well, on gold,
yeah,
gold buys look decent on the 15-minute.
No, they look pretty. We've had a break and a retest on that level into the area of demand. I don't know why I bothered shorting it. I was like, it's moving. Moving, guys. But yeah, it does look. We could come into this nice little area. To be honest, I don't really know, but
I've got to say, I don't like the look of the 4 hour though. That last 4 hour candle was pretty.
I don't know. It depends how you're looking at it.
Engulfing bearish, took out the previous 2.
Yeah, but that's also golfing bearish, taking out the previous 2 within a bullish range.
True.
Look, so if we get rid of that shitty little piece of drawing, you got this is that bullish range, and we've also got these highs right here that are like kind of just guarding the price, to be honest, into that area of demand.
I think it might be a bit more choppy still.
I totally agree. I don't really want to do anything with it, to be honest. I already lost quite a significant amount on FundingRock from this move right here. Because
on FundingRock or for FundingRock?
Well. So pushed up and then came back straight down. My stop was underneath that, kind of, because I thought it was a bit of a flag pattern, because it was doing like this flaggish type of this price action up here was what I was trading. And then when it pushed out, I thought, okay, now we're going. I didn't take into account that it just failed there. But the 30-second time frame on Trade Locker is amazing.
Is it?
It's fantastic.
Is it doing wonders for your swing trading, is it?
My swing trading. So, what did somebody say to me? Somebody commented, it was like, what a load of yap or something like that.
What, on your video?
On my video. Sackett strategy is cooking right now to short gold. I don't know about that. Sackett's strategy would say he's buying. Sackett's strategy is buy right now.
I think we can short as well.
Oh, really?
Are you going to hedge?
Yeah. No. Like if you will see the 1 hour time frame, there are like 3 candles and we can see that if we mark our fib, we can look for sells as well.
Yeah, it's hit and miss, isn't it? Hit and miss. But to be fair, what have we've already taken the liquidity. Oh, I hate talking about this, yeah. Taking the liquidity from the top, and we've taken the liquidity from the bottom. So where we're going, don't know. Don't know. We just look. To be fair, now looking at this properly done out, it does look bullish as anything. I don't know. And we've had, this push up, the break of new highs. The only thing that we haven't had really is any type of retracement to kind of to retest this level.
Look at the half hour though. That current half hour candle that's just closing now looks
Bullish.
bullish.
Yeah. It does indeed.
I'm just trying to see where, if I was going to short,
I wouldn't short it. I already have bloody tried shorting it. Take it from me. Don't be shorting gold right now.
No. If I was going to short it, I wouldn't be shorting until if it gets to 4173, so the top of that range on the hourly.
Oh, so take out the top and then you'd be looking to short.
I'd look for it to hold the top. So I'd look for it to not take out the top, and sell from there.
Wow, gold is bullish as anything, man.
The current 15-minute opened, or just the one that just closed now, opened without a wick, so it was a pretty impulsive move.
Greta Thunberg is in the. Somebody send this to Sam.
Oh dear!
Oh dear.
Look who it is. It's.
I'm gonna send all of this. I'll be like, who are these guys in this chat right now?
It's Trump's #1 fan. It's the boy who wishes he was Trump's son.
You know what?
Wishes he got the same love as Donald Jr.
I honestly would love. I would love that Donald Trump would be my grandpa.
I just can't imagine it.
Think of how much money you would make. Think of it.
Well, that's what his granddaughter does, doesn't she? She's got however many millions on YouTube that just follow her, and she just posts random rubbish of her life going to golf clubs or whatever.
Imagine. Hold on. Call you later.
Okay.
All right, I'm just on live. I'll call you in like 10 minutes. See that proper Birmingham accent?
It was.
I said, no drama, mate. No drama. See, 30-second chart. That is the secret to profitability. I wouldn't have taken that gold trade if I was on the 30-second chart.
Would you have done?
No, that gold trade was silly, man. Got too lost in the chart.
Would have been a nice buy down at the bottom though.
What, on gold?
Yeah. Oh no, sorry. Is that what have you got on your chart now?
No, this is the UK 100. FTSE.
Ah, okay. No. That FTSE down at the bottom, that would have been a nice buy. No, not from there. This more recent one just now.
Here.
Yeah.
That is where I bought.
Is it?
Yeah.
You still in?
Yeah. What? Can you not see what's going on in the chart?
I'm not used to this platform. I told you. Sort out MT5.
What are you talking about? You can see the P&L and the entry right here.
Hang on. Let me make it full screen. Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. All right. So you're making back all the losses that you made for FundingRock.
We don't talk about the losses in trading, okay? We only talk about the winning
Save
trade.
those for pipped off.
We talk about the winning trade, and all I see is winning trades right now.
Alex, the winner, is back again.
Do you know what? I'm kind of feeling it. I got the
Yeah.
mojo back.
He's got the mojo back. What do you think, Saka? Has he got the mojo back?
Sack it.
No, what's that?
Has Alex got his mojo back?
No, I don't know what's that.
The mojo.
Is he back in the groove? You know, has he figured out how to trade again?
As I figured out how to trade.
But I entered gold cells right now.
What did you say? What did you say?
I entered gold cells.
Gold cells.
Yeah.
This is.
Oh, nice.
This is. Oof. See, soon as Sackett gets into a sell, look at what price does.
Where are you
Look
selling?
at that.
Where you selling?
Sackett moves the market.
What's your target, Sackett?
My target is 4136.
I'd have to take these lows. Sackett moved the market as soon as he put in his order. And where's the stop, Sackett? Up here?
Yeah. 65.
65. Okay, up this level. You've probably taken this is ridiculous. Alex tried swing trading for exactly 13 minutes and now he's back trading 30-second charts.
Everyone is exposing Alex.
Look.
He's not wrong.
No, look, swing trading just doesn't fit my personality, man. It doesn't fit me. I'm not holding a trade. I'm not holding a trade for 2 weeks.
But can you explain to me why was it that everyone said to you, Alex, swing trading just isn't for you, and yet you still thought you could do it?
I wanted to challenge myself.
30 seconds.
Do you know what? It doesn't take me long to know that something is not right for me. Okay.
Let's talk about the video that you made explaining and announcing that you were going to start swing trading.
Those bloody videos, honestly, because I stuck them on a schedule, didn't I? And if they're out, they're out.
So you recorded a video.
Yeah.
1 week. You scheduled to have it come out the following week. So a week later, announcing that you were going to be swing trading, and within the time that you'd recorded it to the time that you'd scheduled it to post, you'd stopped swing trading.
Yes.
Oh man!
But look at me now.
Look at you now on the 30-second chart once again, just rinsing the markets.
Don't hate the player, hate the game.
It's just when the player starts hating the game because he's lost his arse again.
Look, sometimes, do you know the story of how I lost my ass for 3 months straight is going to be built in history as one of the worst.
It's going to be something you tell your grandkids.
The worst tilt. I'll be like, come here, kids. I'll sit them down. I'll be like, there was a day couple of months in 2025 where your dad lost his ass for 3 months straight.
And they'll be like, you had diarrhea, Granddad? What?
Yes, son.
Did you eat something dodgy?
I did, son, yes. And that is why you are only trading off the 30-second chart. You will not look at any other chart than the 30-second chart.
I'll be worried about the world if in 20 odd years or whatever, when you've theoretically got said son.
Back in my day, we used to manual
that trading
trade.
even still exists.
Trading will always exist, man.
Yeah, just not in the current form. We'll have chips in our heads that just plug into the.
Oh no, that would be so bad because I'll definitely get a chip in my head, and I will be trading all the time. I'd be chilling there. I'd be like, buy sell. Be like, Alex, what's going on? Hold on a second. You have to like sell like 100 lots on gold, you know.
your nervous twitch when you're like ready to do something will be like on hyperdrive. Like your hands won't be able to keep control of themselves.
Oh, stop loss.
Oh man.
What are we saying, Sakit?
Going to be fun times. I can't wait to see
Yeah,
it.
because 5-minute candle is not closing in pair, so that's
Yeah,
not a
looks-
high setup.
Looks like a tough area. It just looks like we're in a range.
I entered because previous 5-minute candle just liquidated a bit of wick upside. You can see that.
Yeah.
But this next candle just filled whole wick, and it's not closing bearish. That's the reason I'm a bit scared.
Yeah, I
I
think
will close the trade if this candle is not
was-
closing it.
This candle, it was like this. So it was like, hold on a second. If I put the 1 minute. Oh, hold on. It was supposed to go down. This bloody replay tool. Anyway, yeah, I saw the reason why you went short but yeah. Gold, love it or hate it. Don't worry, bro. Gold will go down. I don't know if look. Nobody knows anything. You just have to put on the trade. What will be.
you've got a level at 4166.68. That's an inside bar on the 1 hour. So that's probably what it's being drawn to at the moment.
Do you know what? The more that people are talking about these bloody fair value gaps, the more that I'm actually.
What did I say about fair value gap? I didn't say a thing.
No.
about
I'm seeing it. Somebody Wilksy.
Yeah.
Right.
But you did get it right. Well done.
Wow. Do you know how hard it is for me to say his name correctly?
Don't
Now
know.
when I say his name correctly, he looks at me. He's like, "Why are you saying my name correctly?" Like it's weird. Like it's now strange that I say his name correctly. Wilksy.
Well done.
It's tough. We will call him Will.
Wilksy.
We will call him Will.
Yeah, people call him Will. Like Wilksky sounds so much like it sounds better as well. Anyway, look, fair value gaps and Jonathan, shut up, man. Like I know what you're gonna say, but
Jonathan's having a hissy fit right now.
they work. Look at this. A 5-minute fair value gap, price pushed down, caught in impulse, came back in the fair value gap, did a, what would they call it? A beta block, whatever they call it in ICT, a progression block or whatever, an order block, and then push straight down. That would be a very, very nice trade right there. All from a fair value gap.
Jonathan is literally screaming at his phone or laptop or whatever right now, going, "Alex, I'm gonna smack you on."
Do you know what though? I bet you secretly, without anybody knowing, he's been watching ICT.
Do you reckon?
He's there like playing around. Oh, I'm gonna try this fair value gap that everybody's talking about.
Oh man.
Oh,
He's
SMT.
he's like having. I'm supposed to be the one that triggers him, but you're the one who's triggered him today.
Oh,
I'm
I could just
taking
imagine
credit
it,
for the
man.
triggers today.
Oh, there he is with his cigar, looking at this ICT stuff.
Sitting on his porch, stabbing his can, drilling his cans.
God. What other ICT concepts? Oh, there's an inverse fair value gap right here. Maybe I should try this, see if it works.
I reckon right now, looking at gold.
I don't want to speak the full form of ICT.
Yeah, look, ICT I think is great. I'm not even
But
joking.
But there is a funny full form of ICT. I don't want to speak.
No, good space. Say, I want to listen to this. ICT is just
He's taking a break from Twitter though, isn't he?
why?
Who knows? Or at least he says he is. Jonathan's asked Polymarkets to have a market opened up for it. For people
How
to
much
take
do you
bets.
have to? How many people have to do something for Polymarkets to allow you to bet on it?
Don't know. We need to get a few people in on it. For everyone to basically say, yeah, he's gonna come back before February 2026.
wonder what the odds are like on that.
Jonathan will know.
Does he actually bet on it though?
Jonathan, do you know what? I wouldn't put it against him.
And he calls me a degenerate. Like,
He's a degenerate when people like me trigger him to go all full tilt on gold.
he's a secret. See, he's a secret degenerate, yeah, because he doesn't. He's got this persona on the internet and on like the Fiverr streamers. He's very, very hyper professional SMT guy, but really, he loves a little gamble. He loves them lower time frames. He always talks about his swing trading, but he loves getting on the 5 minute and having a little punt.
That's why he doesn't like streaming with me, because I trigger him too much to go, oh, let's go full tilt on this.
I remember I saw one of his posts last year. What do you see? I see all I saw was a block button from there. Just I profuse in my.
I closed my.
He's talking about ICT. ICT. I reckon.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea, Saket. That's a nice.
I was planned to lose 2%, but I lost 1%.
Yeah. I don't think you should hold that. Not after it tried to break down, took out all of these lows, and then just like failed. You know, this is where my stop. Oh, I got out there.
Yeah, if it breaks the high on the 5 minute, that most recent high on the 5 minute, then I think it's going up to kind of the 4171 area. Yeah. But if you can see a nice rejection from that 4166, then that'd be a nice entry for sells.
We haven't used the Met indicator for a long time. So if you're with Jonathan on lower time, can Alex win on the lower time frames?
Ooh.
What do you mean? Oh, like it's an actual challenge?
Yeah.
Of course, I'd win on the fucking lower time frames against Jonathan. On the higher time frames, no way.
Episode, wouldn't it?
On the higher time frames, Jonathan would beat me hands down.
Yeah,
and he would beat me hands down.
Yeah,
it wouldn't even be funny. It wouldn't even be fun to even play around with it.
It would just be the cataclysmic destroy every ounce of your being.
Yeah, I'd be embarrassed to show my face after doing a challenge on higher time frames with Jonathan. Lower time frames, your boy's got you though, Shah.
LJ versus Alex though. That's LJ every time.
No, on lower time frames.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, LJ's got you, mate. LJ's got all of us. He's got us all hands down. When LJ's on his game, you cannot beat him.
Well, okay. I got a challenge.
All right.
Because LJ's just taken an account on FundingRock. I don't know. I don't know if I should say this. I don't know if this is, a breach of GDP. GDPR.
It's a breach of GDPR. Yeah. GDP. What GDP is broken the GDPR or the GDP of Australia.
Exactly. So, breaking the GDPR of Australia. He's got a 200k account. I will open up a fresh 200k account because obviously this one's in drawdown, and I will have it off with LJ.
Will you have it off with him? Will you?
I gotta send it in this. We're gonna have it off.
There's some real Freudian slips going on today. I tell you.
Oh well, but you gotta say that this footsie is going crazy.
It's still going.
It is. I would not have closed it because I wanted to search it.
Anyway, right, gents, I got to leave you because I was actually doing some work before I came to join you, you degenerate. So,
really,
yeah, I was actually doing some work.
You actually did some work. So we're going to close it off, guys, because I'm also supposed to be doing some work. But it was good to know, Michael. It was good to have you on.
It was good to reunite. One time Christmas special.
Yeah, it was good. Anyway, see you later, guys. And that is it from now. Take care, bye.
Cheers, guys.
That's it, traders. So if you're ready to take your evaluation, you can go in the link in the description. You can start today. But if you're here just for the content, then make sure you like and subscribe to make sure that you don't miss out on the future.